Bengaluru could soon see paid on-street parking, with the state government proposing hourly charges of up to 80 rupees for cars under the draft Greater Bengaluru Area Parking Rules 2026. The draft, issued on August 11th, proposes different rates based on road categories. For cars, on-street parking would cost 40 rupees an hour on Category C roads, 60 rupees on Category B roads, and 80 rupees on Category A roads. Two-wheelers would be charged 20, 30 and 40 rupees respectively. Monthly parking passes are proposed to cost between 1000 and 4000 rupees. Off-street parking would be cheaper, with cars charged 20 to 40 rupees an hour and two-wheelers 10 to 20 rupees. Residential parking would also come at a cost. Annual permits are proposed at 15,000 rupees for small cars, 20,000 rupees for sedans, and 25,000 rupees for SUVs. The rules also aim to restrict long-duration roadside parking, with charges increasing after 2 hours. Parking on footpaths would be completely prohibited. Parking would also be banned within 25 meters on either side of bus stops and the entry and exit points of bus, railway and metro stations. Auto rickshaws, taxis and other hired vehicles would face similar restrictions around these locations. Only designated pickup and drop-off zones would allow vehicles to stop, and the limit would be 5 minutes. Parking at junctions would also be prohibited. The proposed rules would keep bicycle parking free. A 50% discount would be available on monthly off-street parking between 8 pm and 8 am. The draft also proposes residential parking permits, subject to annual renewal. Building owners would have to provide advocate parking within their premises for residents and tenants. The government plans to encourage private landowners to provide parking through tax exemptions and promote multi-level parking facilities. City corporations would also develop parking facilities and maintain separate accounts for parking fees and penalties. The government has invited public objections to the draft rules within 30 days of notification.